What most people get wrong about women in stock market is assuming that their emotions are their biggest disadvantage. When in reality, it is the same emotions and how they are used actually creates the biggest advantage for women in investing.
So, welcome to episode 3 of Rich Girl Song.
And today we're talking about women and the importance of their emotional intelligence in the stock market. One of the studies by Fidelity Investments have shown that women investors often outperform men by 0.4% annually. When you look at why, it comes down to a few very clear patterns. Being more cautious before entering, being more patient during market volatility, also simply thinking more long term on most days, and most importantly, being less driven by ego in financial decisions. And these patterns directly show up in their investing actions, like trading less frequently, taking ample time before making a decision of buying or selling a stock, holding their investments for years, which of course reduces impulsive mistakes. Because this is what really allows you to pause in the moment, also recognize your fear or greed, and not act on it instantly, which eventually then help you stay consistent and patient in a longer run. So now the natural question is what you should focus on. Simple 3 things when it comes to managing your emotional behavior in investing. First, create a gap between what you feel and what you do. Second, stay consistent instead of trying to be perfect. And third, reducing unnecessary action, because a lot of investing returns come from what you don't do. So women aren't doing anything complex here. They're just simply not doing the wrong things repeatedly. That's it. You don't have to remove emotions from your investing journey. You just need to learn how to use them better. And once you do that, you'll realize that this is not your weakness. This is actually your strongest edge in the stock market.